Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of the day it is. Welcome to this quick little video tutorial on how to send a message to your entire class. So, click on the course. Right here where it says Course Options, Send Message. And in this way, it will send a message to all the members. You can also send just a member to the administrators. That would be you and anybody you added to the course as an administrator. This is for all the members, and then this would be for the parents as well. If you want to send a message to an individual student, then you've got to use the Message Center, and you just click on the icon, New Message, and then you type in the person's name and send the message that way. Okay? If you have any questions, send me an email and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. All right then, take care now. Bye-bye.